So when it comes to technical analysis, the chart is usually quite noisy. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up your chart and remove the clutter so we can focus on the signal instead of noise. So let's get started.
Welcome back to Investing Accelerator. In this module, we're going to talk about the overall approach in terms of investing and also setting up your charts along the way. This is when I'll introduce you to the very first tool, which is our charting tool, and it is free. Now, as of this point, you should have gone through the mindset module. You have started to open your account, or you have your account all set up, and you have set up your list as well. I'm very excited for you because this is really the first step into the investing journey. The overall approach has 5 steps. The first step revolves around technical analysis, which stands for analyzing price action and price patterns. This actually acts as the filter to basically eliminate any stocks that is not ready to be invested yet. In this step, we look for stocks that are on a discount, and if it is not on a discount, then we just skip over it. The second step is fundamental analysis. Once we find a stock that is on a discount, we'll dive deeper into the financial statements, the performance of the company, to see whether it is actually a good opportunity. We'll also supplement that with ratio analysis, insider, and news. What we're doing here is really trying to paint a full picture of what is going on with this stock and the market as well. By the end of the fourth step, you'll be 95% confident to invest in this stock, or you think this stock is not good enough and you're going to look for another opportunity. If you decide to invest in this stock, then you'll figure out how to buy options, which is the fifth step to multiply your profit. Now, we are going to set up your chart. There are 3 steps we're going to go through. The first one is we're going to make an account in Tradingview.com, which is our charting tool. You might have a charting tool of your broker, or you have a preferred charting tool somewhere else, but this one is free. This is the best charting tool I have seen. Now, I'll also share my chart link with you here. You'll see the link down below this video as well. You can see what the chart is supposed to look like. Finally, I'll set it up with you step by step within this video. So we can get started. Let's make it simple. First off, type www.tradingview.com and go to this main website. Now, when you get to this website, you're going to see that there are a lot of things going on. But the first step is really to click sign in. Or if you see on the right, you should see join for free or something. Now, if you click on that, you'll actually be able to start now here with basic. If you see the join for free button, then you can also log in as well. Now, if you don't have an account yet, then you actually can click sign up, and then you can sign up through a variety of means, whether you're using your Google, Facebook, or email. Once you sign up, you'll get a confirmation link in your email. You just click confirm, then you should be logged in. Now I have logged in, and this is my test account. Right now, you're going to see there are a lot of things going on, a lot of things that are ticking. What's important is that first, that there's some sort of news feed or chart feed going on in the middle, that there's a watch list, something detail about the stock, and also some news. If you look here, the bar, you'll find ideas, markets, scripts, screeners, streams, broker, and chart. The most important one is the chart. That is basically the key function we're going to use from TradingView. We're going to get other functions from other websites in terms of news and financials and so on. Right now, just click on chart, and this will bring you to your chart. If this is your first time setting up your chart, it's going to look something like this. If you already have an existing template, then it will look slightly different, but I'll set it up with you from scratch. As of this point, if you look at your own URL, this is actually your chart URL. And you'll see that it's tradingview.com/chart/this unique code, which is your chart. If you want to bookmark this page, you definitely can. If you actually take out this latter part of the URL and go like www.tradingview.com/chart, you will get to your chart as well. Here it actually brings you back to this chart. Now, if you want to take a look at my chart, just to show you what we're trying to get to, you can click on the link below, and let me open a new tab. This is the chart we're trying to get to. Right now, you'll see that it is a view-only mode. You actually can't edit this chart. This is what we're trying to get to. And you'll see that there's a lot less going on. It's much cleaner, and it gives you exactly what you need in order to identify an opportunity or not. In the later videos, I'll actually explain what each of the lines mean, so don't worry. If you're using a free account like I am, then you want to go through the step-by-step instruction to set up your chart. That was one of the first modules of Investing Accelerator where you learn how to set up your account.